In this video, I'll be showing you how you can cancel your Chase Bank recurring bill pay in your Chase app. First is to open the Chase app and then sign into your account. If you're using multiple accounts, choose the account that you want to update and then tap on it. Now this will show this part where you have to click the show details. After clicking the show details, it will open this option where you will see the automatic payments option. Now click the Manage button beside it, and then this will open the screen where it will be indicating you the payment details regarding this credit card or your account. You will also notice the Turn Automatic Payments off, which you need to click on this in order to cancel the Chase Bank recurring bill pay. Now after clicking this, just click the Done button and then save this update. And that's it. That's how you can cancel your Chase Bank recurring bill pay easily, and thank you for listening.